Sisig is a Filipino dish made from parts of a pig's face and belly, and chicken liver, which is usually seasoned with calamansi, onions, and chili peppers. It originates from the region of Pampanga in Luzon. Preparing sisig comes in 3 phases: boiling, broiling, and finally grilling. A pig's head is first boiled to remove hairs and to tenderize it. Portions of it are then chopped and grilled or broiled. Finally, coarsely chopped onions are added and served on a sizzling plate. Variations of sisig may include pork or chicken liver and/or any of the following: eggs, ox brains, chicharron, and mayonnaise. Watch till the end to see how this staple food in the Philippines is cooked.
Siyempre, kung ano na lang yung nanda dyan. Tapos na ba yan? Yung primer niyan.